welcome back to Good, Bad, and Ugly. I hope everybody is having an awesome day. I am here today because I got a couple new ROTHY'S pieces. I'm pretty excited. I have not even opened them yet. So you're gonna be here, I'm gonna unbox it with you, and I hope that you're as excited as I am, we'll see. So what I ordered today was it's a wristlet and it's a card case. So I'm a huge animal print fan, so that is what I got. So I'm not even gonna really tell you any more details. I'm just gonna unbox it so you can see it with me. Okay, so here I go. I'm just gonna, and excuse my nails because they look horrible. Okay, I got it. Here we go. Opening the box, here we are. So as you can see here, just a hint, it is called Desert Cat. 2 pieces, matching pieces that I just was thrilled because it was out of stock for like the longest time, the little card case. So I'm excited to see it. So here's the deal. I already have one of the wristlets. Okay, so I've just opened the box. I got stuck on the box there. Anyway, so here we are. So it's just always so cute, like how they do things, but here we go. It looks like just one piece the way they've done it, but I guess they put it together. Hopefully they put it together. Guess we'll see, won't we? Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna open it. Anyway, so as I was saying earlier, oh my gosh, this is cute. Okay, here's the wristlet, guys. Super cute. It is called Desert Cat. This is $95. This was out of stock for a while, but it is back in stock now. It's so cute. It's really big. I actually have another wristlet. I bought this one right as soon, basically I think when this was called an essential pouch when I bought it. This was like one of the first ones that they came out with. Really love it. As you can see, it's like a teal, and there's actually another review on this one that I did, and so I can link that below. But it is basically the same thing. The only difference now I've noticed, so when they first came out with them, it was called an essential pouch, as I mentioned, and this part did not detach from the zipper, like it was just part of the zipper, whatever. Well, as you can see now, it detaches like a wristlet type situation. So if you wanted to use it just as like a clutch and not have the, well, it's obviously the plastic is holding it on, but you can take it off now. So if you want to do it more of like as a clutch. I won't do that. Like I'll leave it just like it is. But anyway, so this is what I got. Although I'm a little bit concerned because guys, the card case is not here. I think I will contact them because it said on like the shipping info that they were together, like it had that they both shipped. So I will have to do just a follow-up video so you can see the card case, which is what I was most excited about because I don't have one of those yet. Anyway, let's get excited about the wristlet instead today. So here it is, super cute, just real soft. Of course, it's washable. It's made of their marine plastic. Just a black pull on the zipper here, super cute. As you can see, it's always like a high quality zipper. Of course, it's got that blue halo there. Here's the inside. No crazy colors or anything on the inside. It has the ROTHY'S little tag there. And that's it. It's pretty simple. So what I do when I take my girls to school is I just grab it. So I pop my cell phone in here. I usually pop maybe like my lip gloss or whatever, keys, and usually a couple of cards, like my license and like my debit card. I just pop them in there. I was excited today because I thought I'd be able to pop them in the card case and then pop the card case into the wristlet. So, I mean, I'd be lying if I didn't say that I was disappointed. I am. And so this is just an honest review, as you know, I am. So, but as far as this piece is concerned, super cute. I mean, you can kind of see like the two-tone, just so cute. Just the detailing is super cute. I'll kind of see, it's just kind of so cute, right guys? And so that's that. I love it. I will do a follow-up video when I get that card case after I've visited with the ROTHY'S people to see when I'm gonna get that. But anyway, and that will match this perfectly. So anyway, this is the wristlet, $95. Don't forget to use my referral code. I will link that down below in the description. You get $20 off, and then I'll get $20 off. Honestly, I was able to use a $20 off on this. So I guess I paid $75. So that's awesome. Love it, I'm excited about it. Here's the inside kind of with my items in there. I don't have much in there right now because I will put my keys and my phone in here. Anyway, just comment questions or anything down below. I look forward to hearing from you, and I hope I get my card case soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.